performance define beauty. I know about the American Pitbull Terrier at the highest level. I know about the elite level on the American Pitbull Terrier. So when I'm talking about with you guys, I have the merit to say this. We are talking about history, we are talking about dogs that are part of our dog's pedigree in the 6th, 7th, 8th generation, dogs that we touch, and dogs that are relevant to the history of the breed. So, be smart, and be smart means ask the right questions. Be smart means when you look for something, you do your own research. You have your own opinion. Stop being this person that you hear something that somebody else that you're on the same level of you speak, and then you automatically understand that this is the truth. No, my friend, the truth sometimes and most of the times they're hidden